7:10 a.m. 63-year-old Robert stood in his kitchen, pouring himself a cup of coffee when he suddenly paused. The coffee pot felt heavier than usual. This wasn't the first time. Over the past few months, his knees felt weak climbing stairs. He had to stop halfway when carrying groceries. And the strangest part, things that used to be effortless now drained him. At first, Robert brushed it off. Just getting older, he told himself. Totally normal. But one morning, as he stood at the bottom of the 3 steps leading to his porch, he had to stop. Right there. And for the first time, a thought crossed his mind. When did I become this guy? Robert had worked a steady government job for 35 years. Routine, discipline, a predictable life. No smoking, no overeating. He even considered himself careful. And yet, his body was slowly losing strength. The strange part, it wasn't like he wasn't eating well. Eggs in the morning, yogurt at night, chicken during the day. All the things people call healthy. But nothing changed. The strength kept slipping away. One afternoon, while walking in the park, he ran into an old friend, David, a retired high school teacher. David was older, but walked taller, stronger, more alive. Robert couldn't hold it in. "How are you in better shape than me?" he asked. David smiled and said something that stuck. "You're still living with an old metabolism, Robert." Robert frowned. "What does that even mean?" David leaned in slightly. "It's not what you're eating. It's that your body can't use it anymore." That sentence stayed with him. That night, sitting alone, he thought, what if I've been wrong this whole time? Because the truth is, after 55 or 60, something changes quietly in the body. Stomach acid drops. Enzymes slow down. And most importantly, protein isn't absorbed the same way anymore. So even if you're eating the right foods, your body may not be using them. The next morning, Robert tried a simple test. He ate eggs, just like always. He waited for that familiar boost of energy. But nothing changed. Still tired. That's when it hit him. I'm not hungry. My body is. Muscles don't work the way most people think. Every day, they break down a little. Walking, bending, even standing up. When you're younger, your body repairs that damage quickly. But as you age, that repair slows down, and it builds up. Until one day, a staircase, a grocery bag, shows you the truth. That moment became Robert's turning point. He couldn't hide behind age anymore. Something had to change. But what? Eat more. More protein. Or something completely different. That's when David's words came back. You're not eating the right protein. And you're definitely not eating it the right way. Robert started researching. And what he discovered surprised him. Because the issue wasn't just getting protein. It was getting the kind your body can actually use, fast. Some proteins take hours to digest. Others almost go straight into your bloodstream. And that difference changes everything. But how? What kind of food does that? And most importantly, could Robert actually regain his strength? As Robert kept digging, one term kept showing up. Whey protein. At first, it sounded like something only athletes used. But the more he learned, the more surprised he became. Because this protein was one of the fastest absorbing proteins in nature. And the most interesting part, it wasn't something exotic or hard to find. It had been in his kitchen all along. Cottage cheese. Robert almost laughed. Seriously? That's it. But he decided to try it anyway. That first night, after dinner, he took a few spoonfuls of cottage cheese, added a little olive oil, a pinch of salt, and ate it about an hour before bed. No expectations, just an experiment. The first change came within days. When he woke up, his legs felt lighter, not dramatically different, but noticeable. After a week, he realized he wasn't stopping halfway up the stairs anymore. 2 weeks later, he carried his groceries in one trip. That's when he paused and thought, so this is what I was missing. What makes cottage cheese powerful isn't just the protein. It's the form of that protein. It's easy for the body to absorb. No heavy digestion. No wasted effort. Just fuel, ready to use. And inside it are 3 key amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, valine. These are essential for muscle repair, and cottage cheese is packed with them. But Robert noticed something else too. It wasn't just what he ate. It was when he ate it. When he had it about an hour before bed, the effect was stronger, because that's when the body shifts into repair mode. Growth hormone increases, muscles rebuild, and the cottage cheese supports that process. Now Robert understood. The problem wasn't age. It was habit. A few weeks later, he ran into David again. This time, his walk was different, stronger, easier. David smiled. So, you figured it out? Robert nodded. Guess it's not too late after all. And it wasn't, because the human body, when given the right support, can rebuild at any age. The truth is, a lot of people are still making the same mistake. They try to eat more, but not smarter. Sometimes the answer is something simple, something that's been sitting on your table for years. If you've been feeling weaker lately, if stairs feel harder, if your legs don't feel as strong as they used to, maybe the problem isn't what you think. Maybe your body is just waiting for the right fuel.